loves, it's your girl, Allie G, the weird, crazy, wild child. How you doing? So, bienvenidos o bienvenidos de regreso a mi canal de YouTube. Hoy en este día vamos a hacer una mascarilla una mascarilla de sábila para piel radiante y brillosa. So today we're going to be doing an aloe vera overnight mask that is meant to give you that radiant, glowing skin. So we're going to try that today with only 2 ingredients. Let me go take you. Let's go. We're back. Ya regresamos. Los 2 ingredientes, the 2 ingredients that we're going to need is gel de sábila y tea tree oil. Sí lo ven, ¿verdad? Es un té de árbol en aceite. Sí, así es como se pronuncia en español. All right, we're gonna keep going. Van a ser 2 cucharadas de gel de sábila, 2 tablespoons, pero yo ahí le voy a tantear, le voy a poner porque pues nosotros mexicanos no le medimos, nomás ahí le guachamos, que no nos pasemos de lanza. I'm not going to be using spoons because I mean, us Mexicans don't measure anything anyway. We just wing it. But for you precise people, it's 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. I mean, that's considered 1, maybe 1.5. Okay, that's just as much as we're gonna put. And then we're gonna go with the tea tree. Just a few drops, okay? Poquititas gotas de tea tree oil. Pero yo le voy a echar un chorrito porque no es de gotero. Just gonna put just a little. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Few drops. Ooh. Okay, okay. I think that's it. We winged it, and this is what we came up with. And literally, you just mix it. Nomás lo mixteas y listo. Te va a dar una cremita. Así nomás. Asegúrate que tu cara esté limpia. Y como la mía todavía no está limpia, nos vamos a esperar más antes de que me duerma. Since I don't have a clean face, you want to apply this to your whole entire face when it's clean. So, because my face isn't clean yet, I'm not going to apply it, but I will be back when I apply it. And then we just leave it in, rinse it off in the morning. That's what we're going to do. I'll see you guys when I am ready to apply this. So, espera. Now that we are out of the shower, you're supposed to leave it on overnight. Okay, right off the bat, woo, I recommend you put a little less than what I used. I know it's hard to tell because I didn't even measure. But, oh my gosh. Yeah, you want to use a little less because the tea tree oil is very strong. And my eyes are like feeling it for real. Okay, so. My neck, my back, and let's not finish the song. There, we're done. I will see you guys in the morning when I rinse it off, okay? Well, my loves, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this DIY overnight face mask that maybe you can try. And if you do try it, come back to this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know how it treated your face. And yeah, my face, I just moisturized it, so that's why it looks all shiny. But it did feel very smooth. I'm not sure if I was glowing too much, but I did have a smooth face, and well, I mean, it's my first time using it, so hopefully using it more, it gives me that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy my DIY videos, and if you have any specific DIY requests that you would like to see on my channel, and your wish is my command. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Peace. Excuse me. I had really good dinner. Oh my gosh, I am so proud of myself. Chef Ali, what's up?